Oberoi Savarimuthu. He is a partner at Tech Savarimuthu and Company, Chartered Accountants and Managing Director of Financial and Business Associates Private Limited, both based in Sri Lanka. He is a fellow of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of Sri Lanka, fellow of the Institute of Certified Accountants, and a fellow of the Institute of Taxation. He has over 25 years of experience in practice and focuses on productivity and effective work management. He is also a past president of the Rotary Club of Colombo, the oldest Rotary club in Sri Lanka. With this intro, I hand over to Oberoi.
Thank you, Shweta. I'm audible, right? And can you see my screen?
Yes. We can see your screen and you are audible as well.
Right. Good afternoon, everyone. So, just a second. So our journey with Jamco started last April, where we were using an office management software, which was used for work management and time tracking. It was actually a European software, but not tailor-made for the accounting practices. We were using this for around 4 years and trying to manage our requirements, but found many limitations, including having a limitation in the number of tasks that we could add at one time, the number of staff we could add in. But we were going through that because we didn't want to change. But then came the lockdown, and I was following a presentation made by the CA Institute of India through our own institute. And there it was discussed regarding practice management software used in India. And there were a few software mentioned. And we started researching on this software and also did a web search and found Jamco. And then we started contacting with Adrash and Priya, and their response was very quick. And we also liked the look and feel of Jamco. What we saw as a main advantage of the software was that we were able to track all the work done for a client in one location, be it accounting, auditing, tax, company secretarial, or consultancy work. We were also able to update the client database, inclusive of their contacts, email addresses, passwords of their tax return filing, etc. Also, one other main factor that we decided on Jamco was that work done during the day can be updated daily, and that it can be closed daily also. In the previous software we used, this was not possible. And we made this request to the previous software provider, but there was no positive response. This was required especially after the pandemic, when working from home. We found that staff used to forget to enter their work done for the day, or used to enter their work done at the end of the month. And this was not very effective and not very accurate also in charging the client. And this way we could not track and monitor the work done on a current basis and accurately assess the cost for each client and the productivity of the staff and the firm as a whole. So that was our decision to change to Jamco. And we initially had our senior executives go through the package, and they were very delighted with it and very positive. And we then enabled the whole office to change over to Jamco, and within 1.5 months, we were fully transitioned to Jamco. I will go through a few main features we use in Jamco now. So as you log into the package, the home and the daily dashboards are very useful. In the home, as you log in into the home screen, you notice the notice board. We used to communicate with our staff regarding updating in Jamco and any urgent work and the monthly reports to be given through this notification board, which you all can see, I think. Yeah. Then also reminders to the staff, any urgent reminders, any tracking of work, we update on this reminder list. So this is just as you come into the home screen of Jamco. Then what is also important is the task target date, which the staff are trained to go through daily and prioritize their work. Earlier, we used to use Excel sheets and try to communicate with the staff to prioritize their work. But now we guide our staff to log into Jamco and then see what is your priority work, which you can see what is due today, what is due tomorrow, what is overdue, can be looked into in this. Then in the home screen itself, there is this to-do function, which we use very extensively now. We use this to review our files, where we mark the queries on review for the staff to answer and get back. So they respond and forward the to-do to each one. This feature has reduced paperwork. We used to previously have a working paper for this audit queries and different queries. But now we do it through Jamco. Further, we also use this to-do function to raise invoices. We previously used to have a cost sheet and print it and send it for approval to the respective managers and partners. But now this is all done through the to-do, which is forwarded for approval. We also can see the cost of the task in the specific task. And we can check the time taken for the assignment and then decide on the costing and then forward it to the administration division for invoicing. Also, after the invoice is raised, the administration division forwards the to-do back to the initiator so that they can track the invoice and either email it to the client or send it to the client, which is a feature which we use a lot. Then also in the home screen still, we track the total work for the office in the services dashboard. Hello?
Yes, Abray, you can continue.
Yeah, there's some disturbance anyway. Go ahead.
Yeah,
team leaders.
We'll just.
Yeah, so the service dashboard. So we use this to track all the work in hand. The team leaders also can check the work allocated to their teams and follow up on their work. I also noticed that this has a function where each team member's task can be looked at. This was not, I don't know, this was there earlier, but this is also a very useful feature where you can track the staff allocated work areas. So I'll just go through more. Then on the daily dashboard, we monitor the time sheet used for management users to monitor the work done for the staff for the day. And it also shows whether they have been present or whether they have visited this dashboard. And they can double click and see the work done of the staff and monitor the work and discuss with the staff and go back and see yesterday's work. So that is also a very useful feature in the daily dashboard. Then also in the daily dashboard, we use this task label to forward tasks for review for attention of the seniors so that they know what has to be done for this thing and they can follow up. So if we go to one of these, we can click on any of these and see the work allocated or the tasks that are needed for review. In this case, these tasks are remaining for my review, so I need to go and look at these. So this can be done whether I'm in office or whether I work from home, anywhere. They need not bring a file to my table and keep for my review. Also, we monitor the attendance through JUMCO, because after the lockdown, there are staff working from home, working from client places. We used to use a fingerprint machine. We have given away with that. And now we use the attendance also is marked in JUMCO. There is the staff who are on leave can mark their leave. They mark whether they are present in office, whether they are working from home or at a client place. One other feature we use extensively in JUMCO is updating this fields report, where we use this for filing tax returns and register of company returns and all. It's very useful, where we update these fields in whatever the way we want it, so that we can track it and track the whole set of service, this ROC return filing in a report like this. We can track where we are at the current situation for a particular task. Also, this can be downloaded to Excel and also made to auto update in Excel, which is very useful to track where exactly the task is and whether it's completed, etc. So all these enable us to reduce paperwork and also update. Earlier we used to update different files in Excel to track different types of services, different types of work, and different staff. So now all this is centralized in JUMCO, and we can access these reports and use it through JUMCO, which is a very valuable feature. Some other features, as time is running short, I just run through those. That is file upload. We use specifically when staff work from home, we use files to upload the current file so that emails need not be going around and tracking the correct file, the updated file. So we use file upload. Then the subtask list to allocate staff in audits and for different sections in audits and to track their time. Subtask lists I use. Document lists I use to track documents receivable from clients. Compliance dashboard to track recurring task, monthly task, quarterly and other annual tasks so that we don't miss them. Then bulk email being sent to clients is very useful. Task costing, we used to see the time spent on each task and the costing of the task, whether it's profitable. So these are some features which I thought I should cover in this short presentation, which is useful for us and hope it will be useful to the others also. Finally, I wish to say that we are happy that we chose JUMCO, and for the quick response and clarification they provide us for any query. And also thank Priya Adrash and the team for inviting me today to give this presentation. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Aubrey. That has been a very informative session. Thank you for your inputs, especially the custom reports, the to-dos. Those were really very informative, wherein the current to-dos, the workflow management which you use, that will be very useful for other firms as well to implement.